Hello, this is Amanda with West Plains United Country, and I'm here at my new listing, which is a 5,400 square foot custom built brand new home. This home overlooks a beautiful lake. It includes 123 acres with 6 ponds and year-round creek with live water. One of my favorite things about this home is this beautiful kitchen, and this home includes an open concept kitchen, dining, and living area. Something else I wanted to point out about this home is the beautiful doors that go across the front and the great view. For more information about this property or others like it, you can contact me at 417-255-3498 or my office at 417-256-1000.